Hello everyone, my name is Khalid and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a beautiful button using HTML and CSS. So if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click in the like button. Now let's dive into the code. Now let's create a new file with whatever name we want. So I name it button.html. And we will do the regular HTML tags. So I am using Emmet to fasten coding. So I only write this and give me this result. We will also need the font awesome library. So we will type font awesome cdn to get it. Okay, we choose the version we want. And then we go to CSS and copy this file. We go back to our code editor and link this font awesome and save. Let's try if it is working. So I do the e element class fasciata user. Let's see if the results will show. I am using the live server. So you can type in Google how to install live server terminal. Okay, so this is the file and you can see this is the icon that I write. About font awesome, you can go to Google and type font awesome and you will get the font awesome documentation. So this is the documentation of font awesome. You can see here all the icons. I type user, so I get this result. If I want this, I type users with S. Okay, let's back to our code. We make an anchor with href with a class. Okay, let's name it only button like that and add an icon. Okay, like that. We will add the styling here. Let's save it. Now we do the anchor here in style and give it the display inline block, background, let's say green for now, color, let's say white, let's do a width with the 32 pixel and height with the same pixels and line height with the same pixel and text align center. Let's see the result. Okay, so this is the result. Let's back to our code editor. So we do the border reduce. Let's go with 10 pixel. Okay, as you see, and do the box shadow 0. Let's go with 6 pixel and then let's go with 10 pixel with the RGBA color. Let's see that green with 0.5 for opacity. Something wrong. So let's do black for now. Okay, like that. Now we go to inspect elements and see the color from here. And then we choose the green one and change the opacity as this. And copy that. Then go back to the code editor and paste it like that. Okay, this is the result for now. Now we will do the hover touch. So here we will define a B element, bold, users. Let's save it. So it will not appear here because the user's color is white. We go from here, A, B. We change the color to C, black. This is the result, but it isn't beautiful as we want. So let's go this, position absolute. And if you do absolute position here, we need the parent to be with the position relative. Okay. Let's do a background with RGBA, black, and 0.5 for opacity. Okay. Let's do the line, height 22 pixel, and font size 12 pixel. The padding 0.8 pixel. Okay, the radius, border radius, let's go with the 10 pixel. Okay, now the button with the minus 10 pixel. Okay, let's move it more, minus 16. Okay, 24 I guess, that's nice, and the right or the left will be 0. Okay, now let's add the before element. So EB before element, sorry, content will be like that, position absolute, top minus 4 pixel. Now the before element will add the arrow style. So we will do the border bottom, let's see 4 pixel solid, and let's give it black color for now. Border, we will not need this. Left 4 pixel solid transparent. Okay, we will do the right. Let's save it, and you see there is an arrow here, but we will need the same color from here. Okay, let's save it, and as you see it's working. Okay, let's do the 28. Okay, nice for now. Font normal. Now we need to invisible or hide this visibility, so hidden. Opacity, let's say 0 for now. Now let's do the track. When the A hover, so when we hover the A, let's show the tip, so we will copy that. Let's do visible, and opacity 1. Now let's go to the, and you see, let's do the movement. So we will go to the here and do transition all 0.3 second, and we will do the same for the A element. Now as you see, it will appear with the transition. Let's give it more flexibility, so the bottom will be here 32, but when we do hover, the bottom will be 28. Okay, as you see, it's come from the bottom. Let's change the color of the bottom. So let's duplicate that. Background, let's see this color, box shadow also. Let's go with 0. Okay, like that. The color will be white. Okay, as you see, there is a beautiful transition here. So if you want to add more button, we just duplicate that and say, for example, love, not love, but heart, and go with love here, and see beige red, and go here with the beige or e.beige red. Let's see the same from here. Background red. Okay. Let's do like the others. Okay. So we will go with like that. Let's do the hover. Okay, let's go with this and here. Let's see. Okay, lab and no users. So you can add multiple buttons like that, as you see in this example. Please don't forget to like the video from the button. Thank you for watching.